Hassan here, aerospace engineer turned project management consultant. This is PM Consulting Hacks, gaining insight one bite size at a time. Today's topic is AI assisted resource management. Now, this approach works well for your own team. It might not be the right approach in a corporate setting, but when your personal project is at risk, this is how I prefer to do it. The first thing you're going to need is a Jira board. This is a simple tool for task management. At the task level, Jira board works very well. And Jira Cloud is free if your board has less than 10 users, which is nice. The board has columns. Tickets move from left to right. Each ticket is a task. When your resource works on a ticket, they'll comment, they'll move the ticket across columns, and generally they'll interact with the board in some way. That's all logged as data. And at the end of the day, you can pull it with an XML export, or you can set up a Jira connector directly to your AI software. That way it's automated. The second thing you'll need is Notion and an AI of your choice. I like to use Grok. You can use whatever your preference is. The third thing that's needed is a productivity tracking software. I use WebWork. I'm not affiliated with these products. This is just what I use. That costs about $4 per resource. And I tell my team at hire that turn it on when they're working and turn it off when they're not. So full transparency. Then at the end of the day, I export the CSV. It tracks actions per minute and screenshots every 3 minutes. So now you've got task data from Jira, productivity data from WebWork, and a Notion page where the report can be produced. You create a prompt asking for a productivity report and a score out of 10, and then that will be outputted into Notion, and you can do that for every resource, giving them their own page. The output is a simple report that looks like this. A couple of clicks at the end of the day, scan it, and you know exactly what's happening. This way, when I meet with my team, I'm just trying to remove obstacles. And what you can do is, if you've done this for every person on your team, you can create a productivity heat map across time and observe patterns that show up with almost no management overhead. And that is how I do AI-assisted resource management. Also, I run a Data and FinTech PM Consultant Pivot Accelerator. If you're a professional with at least 3 years of experience, reply pivot if you're so inclined, and I'll send a link to the workshop, the PM Consulting job board, and a free full roadmap. I appreciate your time very much. Thank you.